Hi all. Hope you're all doing great. I hope I am properly visible. Okay. So you all are welcome to the inaugural session, or I would say the first session of the series Conversing Minds. So what it is all about that I thought of talking to you, but we have lot of stuff on YouTube. I hope I am properly visible. Yeah, there are a lot of stuff available on YouTube, but the one thing is missing that the sometimes we have few questions or we prefer talking to someone. Conversation is important, interaction is important. So that's why I thought of to come up with this kind of thing where we can talk together, two people asking questions because. We have taken several questions from people, and I keep on getting many queries from my students and the women entrepreneurs or other people around. So I thought of coming up with different kind of questions and queries coming up. So to start with, I have taken up that why do I get distracted? Because this is the major issue today in today's world, because we have so many things around, and at the same time we need to focus on the goals or exactly what we need to achieve in life. So this is what this was the motive around starting these series of conversing minds, and for this I have with me another mind which is going to make a conversation with me. She is Riddhi with me, and before I start and call Riddhi on the screen, I hope every one of you knows me. I am Ashima Galhotra. I am by qualification I am a chartered accountant, and by passion I am a counselor, coach, and basically I call myself as a mindset conditioning coach. So I hope this is enough for me from my side today. So let's call Riddhi on the screen. Riddhi, if you are listening to me, please can you please open your video? Yeah, hi. Hello, Riddhi.
Hi, how are you?
I am great. What about you?
I'm good, I'm good. Good to see
Okay.
you with the Dinobar.
Yeah. So, Riddhi, please introduce yourself. You are among so many people. They are looking, watching you
Yeah,
live.
hi, good evening everyone, and welcome to first series of Conversing Minds. And I'm extremely happy and honored that Ashima gave me this chance to begin the series. And on an introduction, in my introduction is like I'm Vidhi Kalra and I'm a finance professional, and I'm an aspiring writer and a speaker. And you can check out my work on my social media handles, that is Strike the Right Chords. And of course, Ashima's friend.
Yeah,
So
and
that,
Riddhi writes very, very nice, very well. She has a page with the name of Strike the Right Chords, if I'm not wrong, Riddhi.
yeah.
Okay, okay. So that's nice. So, Riddhi, shall we start the session? Do you have
Yeah,
questions
please.
or like?
Yeah, when yeah, please let it be a more of a free flow than of a Q&A thing, I guess, because it's more about, I guess, conversation rather than question and answers. So let's start. So I mean, when I posted this, many questions were coming to my mind, and many questions came to me also from many of my friends and
Okay,
many
that's
people.
great.
Yeah. Yes. So the first question, like our title, like why do I get distracted? So the first question is obviously like, how to maintain our focus. And then by focus I mean focus can be maybe on our work, on our studies, on our goals, on our health, or anything. So the first problem that today's youth, or should I say not only youth, anyone can face is that how to maintain our focus. Hello Ashima.
Sorry, Riddhi. I just missed on what all you were saying. I got
No worries,
distracted by my mobile. I was looking at the people who were online and watching me live.
like,
So sorry,
yeah,
this
yeah,
I was a bit distracted. Oops. So this is the problem, right?
yeah, correct, exactly.
Yeah.
That's
So
my
I know
first question.
I should listen to you. I should be here listening to you, but still I got distracted to my mobile. What is going here and there? So I'm so sorry. So okay. So starting again with your question that how to maintain or what was it exactly? Sorry.
How to maintain our focus, be it be on our goals, on our health, or anything which we have chosen for ourselves. So how to maintain our focus without getting distracted, just like you did. So how to maintain our focus?
Yeah.
That's
So,
my first question.
so first thing I would like to ask Riddhi that why and where it is such a big problem. So take it easy and normal because one thing is clear that you are living. If you are getting distracted, you are not dying. You are exploring things around. So first appreciate that because exploring things or knowing what is happening around is not a bad. It's not something bad at all. So don't take it like so big on your head. Oh, I am looking here and there. I am not able to accomplish my goal. आज target set किया था मैंने क्यों नहीं पूरा किया. So it's pretty normal. अगर आप आसपास देख रहे हैं चीजों को तो first of all appreciate that you are living, right?
Correct. Yes.
Okay. So let me give you an example. Huh? Uh, let's suppose I planned a game with few kids, or you also participating in that
You
game.
plan a, sorry,
Uh,
your voice got echo. Yeah.
I planned a game like we were playing some outdoor. Hello.
Plan a game. Okay.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay.
outdoor,
Yeah. Yeah.
outdoor.
Yeah.
Okay, I can say it as an outdoor activity,
Let me put
right?
my earplugs. Yes. Yes.
Okay. So,
Hmm.
am I audible?
Yeah, you are. Please
Okay.
continue.
So, like, let's suppose I asked you that I have a few toffees with me and a few chocolates with me, right? And I told that I will throw these toffees. First, I started with the toffees, right? And you saw that chocolate also with me, huh? And I
Yeah.
started throwing with trophies, and I asked the person who will get. You have to collect these trophies, and as many as much you can get these trophies. Collect these trophies. These are yours. You can eat those trophies, right? So, but you saw that I also at the same time have a big chocolate with me. Okay,
Hmm.
so there is one option with you. With you have either you will lose your energy, you will shift your efforts grabbing those all small topics, or you will just focus on me, throwing that chocolate so that until the time you will save your energies, you will not get distracted with the small topics you are getting around. So, what will you do, Riddhi?
Yeah. Tricky situation about.
Tricky. So tell me, if you have this option with you that you are
Yeah.
spending your energy on grabbing small things which is happening around, or you will keep yourself focused on a bigger picture. What bigger you are going to get if you will focus on that
Ah.
thing.
Hmm. I guess if I talk about myself, given my nature, I think I will, in most probability, keep my focus on the bigger picture.
Okay.
But that again is my perception. I am not very sure about the arm janta out there.
Okay.
There are chances or there are possibilities that they might get distracted with the chocolates.
Yes, of course. This is the problem, or this is the kind of situation we are discussing today, right? Okay, let me give you another example on this. Okay,
Yes.
do one thing,
Hmm.
and even the audience, the people who are with us live, do one thing. Visualize in your mind.
Yeah, just to interrupt, just a second.
Hmm.
Since this is a free flow thing, I just want to mention everyone out here who has joined us that you are allowed to please put in your questions and queries in the chat box, and that is our only motive to choose and answer most of the questions which we
Yeah,
get. And our fourth series will be on the basis of your questions only. So
yeah,
it's
true,
more
true,
about
true,
you, about us. And
true.
sorry, Ashima, you can continue.
Yeah, so I was like asking everyone, including you, that
Yeah.
visualize in your mind that there
Hmm.
is a dog in front of you and a lion, right?
There's
Okay,
a what in front of me? Lion and a.
and a dog,
Okay.
okay,
Yeah, yeah.
okay. So you have few bones with you, okay. So what you did, you
Okay.
started throwing a one bone in front of the dog. What do you think? What the dog will do?
Mm, I guess he. Acha. There's a lion also, and now there's a
No, no,
bone
there's a
also.
lion. There's a, because
Um.
see in front of you, but you're throwing bone to a dog. So you are the question is that what
Yeah.
dog will do. You don't have to think that what you will do. You have to think that what the dog will do if you throw a bone in front of the dog.
I guess it will be attracted towards the bone.
Yeah. So
In
what the
probable.
dog will do?
Yeah.
He will
Yeah.
just jump on the bone and get it, right?
Correct. Correct.
Okay, okay. So
Correct.
you kept on doing this 1, 2, 3, 4. What do you think? What every time the dog will do?
I guess every time he'll jump on the board unless he, somehow realizes that there's a lion there or, there's a danger to his life, then there's a different question.
Okay, okay. No, a dog is not in front of the lion. So you only visualize that there are two, animals there, and you are throwing bone to the dog. Okay. Now let's take the second scenario. That now you started throwing that bone in front of the lion. What the lion will do? Will he get the same way attracted towards that bone, the same way the dog did?
No,
No. Why?
because it does not attract him. It's not
Okay.
his. Maybe I attract him. I don't know. Maybe
Exactly,
I attract
exactly,
him.
exactly,
Yeah,
Riddhi. You just click to the right point because he
yeah.
is what? Which is the bigger picture, the small bone or you? Yeah.
Me.
So the lion knows that he is not focusing on the small bones, right? So you
Yeah.
have to decide: are you that bone getting attracted, dog that getting attracted towards that small bones, or you have that powerful bigger picture image in your mind, right?
Correct.
Now
Correct.
let's take it further. Like so many things happening around, किसी friend का breakup हो गया, किसी के साथ कुछ problem हो गया,
Hmm.
people are going to foreign trips, right?
Hmm.
But now it is up to you कि आप वो छोटी छोटी bones पे attract हो रहे हैं or you are just focused on the bigger picture. Are you that lion or you are a dog? So this is something you need to tell yourself and be clear to yourself in your mind. The this is the answer to your question you asked me that why do we
How?
lose and we get distracted, right? So one thing it's very
Yeah. Yeah.
important to be clear with you that what is attracting you more. Are you having the bigger picture in your mind? Are you that lion, right? I hope I am
Correct.
able to answer you, huh?
Yeah. Do we have any questions there? Not able to see. Do we have
Guys, you
any
can
questions?
write or at least let me know that how did you find this example or the
Yeah,
things I
please
let me
do give
know
our.
your reply uh, who do you choose to be in your life? That lion or, sorry, but that dog? Please, guys, use your fingers and write to me.
Yeah.
Okay. People,
Okay.
okay, chali. Anyways, okay, Riddhi, shall we take the second question?
Yeah. Yeah.
Riddhi,
So
your voice is
we
breaking.
have talked about, I guess. Hello. Can you hear
Yeah,
me?
yeah, yeah,
Hello.
yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So we have spoken about why we lose focus. I guess the next obvious questions is like how to maintain the focus if we are losing focus, and if I am choosing, or if anyone out there is choosing to be that lion. So how do we proceed towards it? Like given the number of distractions we have
Okay.
from our everything. I mean, everything is a distraction. So how do we maintain our focus, and how do we become that lion which you just gave an example about? So the next question is how.
How? Yeah, that's very important. Okay. So, are you ready for another example?
Please,
And
I'm
another
loving, I'm
situation?
loving. Yeah,
So now
I'm
next
actually
everyone.
liking the interactive.
Okay,
Yeah,
so with the Riddhi, I
yeah,
would
and please.
request everyone to participate in the situation. So I'm just going to give you another situation which you're going to visualize in your mind. Are you ready? If you're ready, please write yes in the comments.
Yes,
So
please
until
write
and
yes,
unless I
guys.
would not listen to that yes, I will not proceed, guys. Please, I can see there's so many people. Please write yes.
Come on, everyone, we are waiting for your reactions.
Okay, can you see yes?
No, I can't see any yes.
Okay, people are very busy right now.
At least raise your hands. आई गेस आप बारिश के मजा लेने बाहर चले गए अब उनको सुन नहीं रहा है
No, they are very a lot many people are there. Okay, let me share. Okay. Yes.
yes they are saying yes
Okay.
okay yeah so our next question everyone, we are waiting for your reaction
Am I audible?
you are
Okay. So, Riddhi, coming back to the second question, that how, right?
you're saying yes
I could listen to the volume. I think you have increased your volume.
yeah I can decrease the ball
Okay.
I had tried yeah
So, are you
okay
ready
fine
for the second situation?
yes please continue with the how
Okay. So let's suppose that it's been one day that you have not got any food, right? आपने कुछ भी नहीं खाया है और एक दिन हो गया है, ठीक है?
hmm. Hmm.
और आपको अचानक से you see a very somebody gave you or like you find it from somewhere और सिर्फ सिंपल वो चने भुने हुए चने सूखे से चने आपको कहीं से मिलते हैं,
मैं
ठीक है?
खाती वही हूँ वैसे
तो अगर आपको
yeah
वो चने मिले और आपने एक दिन से कुछ भी नहीं खाया है तो क्या होगा Ritik? What will happen to you? And even the I know people who are watching this can write their comments below that what will be the state of mind and what is going to happen. You are hungry for
so
last one day and you just got that dry, bhuna hua chana. What will you do? Yeah, Ritik.
Like there are two answers coming to my mind if I have to be honest.
Hmm.
First one is if I be my modest self, then I will say यार चलो कुछ तो खाने को दिया, इतना खराब है.
Okay.
Yeah,
Right. Pretty well. Yes, you are honest.
Yeah, if I be myself, I'll say चलो कुछ तो खाने को दिया. But if I be on an honest note or on a यार क्या भाई, कोई इंसान एक दिन से 24 घंटे से भूखा है and आप उसको ऐसे चने दे रहे हो, I mean at least have some courtesy. Offer
No, nobody is giving you, like you find it, right? चलो ठीक है.
Okay, I found it.
हाँ, but you found it and it was like चलो अब मिला खाना. But एक दिन की अभी आप सिर्फ एक दिन से भूखे हो, बहुत ज्यादा टाइम नहीं हुआ है, तो अभी क्या दिमाग में आएगी कि काश रोटी मिल जाती. Mind अभी सोच
Yeah. It will be, I guess, a 50-50 situation. 50% grateful that I कुछ तो मिला, but 50% will be like यार शायद इस कुछ तो better मिल रहा था यार, एक दिन से कुछ नहीं खाया. Something like.
यानी कि now you are not enjoying 100% thoroughly or fully you're eating your that chana. Because 50% mind is regretting of not
100% तो I won't. 100%.
एक दिन की भूख है, तो 50% माइंड कर रहा है कि चना खाना है, 50% माइंड कर रहा है कि काश रोटी या कुछ अच्छा मिलता. ठीक है दीदी?
Yeah. Correct.
Right? Okay. So let's take another now. अब ये भूख जो है, अब एक दिन नहीं, क्या हुआ 2 दिन से आप भूखे हो, अब आपको कुछ भी नहीं मिला, 2 दिन हो गए. ठीक है, अब क्या लगता है 50% will increase up to what? कि आप रोटी सोचेंगे, आप छोलों पे पड़ जाओगे कि बस ठीक है 2 दिन हो गए. 2 दिन, you have to visualize that situation in your mind. 2 दिन आपने कुछ खाया नहीं है.
Now it will be, I guess the percentage will change of more of a regret and frustration and anger भूख से कि यार क्या है 2 दिन हो गए, अब सिर्फ चने ही मिलेंगे क्या, I mean something like that. So it will be like
2 दिन हो गए, अब रिग्रेट ज्यादा है या यू आर नाउ इट्स लाइक एंजॉयिंग ईटिंग चना कि ठीक है यार शुक्र है भगवान चना मिल रहा है और अब रोटी सब्जी कुछ भी नहीं सूझ रहा है क्योंकि 2 दिन से आप भूखे हो. अभी क्या बढ़ा है, regret or other thoughts of some other food in your mind, or you are just you can see only chana in front of you? Tell me, 2 days you have not seen anything.
Only chana in front of me. क्योंकि अगर वो भी नहीं मिलेगा तो नहीं, क्या होगा? What will I do?
अब तो दिमाग में चलना ही मतलब ऐसे हो गया कि अब तो सिर्फ ये दिख रहा है कि भूख है और सामने चना है, 2 दिन से कुछ नहीं खाया आपने. ओके रिद्धि, वेरी वेल. चलिए रिद्धि, अगर मैं एक थोड़ा सा और भूखा
ये मत बोलना कि अब तीसरे दिन भी चना ही मिला है.
No, तीसरे दिन चना नहीं मिल रहा है. आई एम जस्ट आस्किंग यू, लेट्स नाउ विजुअलाइज एंड सपोज दिस थिंग इन योर माइंड कि 3 दिन हो गए आप भूखे हो, 3 दिन से आपने कुछ नहीं खाया. ओके, इट्स बीन 3 days आपने कुछ भी नहीं खाया है. और मेरा ध्यान से सुनिएगा क्वेश्चन, ठीक है? 3 दिन के बाद आपको हाथ में चने देने के लिए लेट्स सपोज मिस्टर अमिताभ बच्चन. नाउ 3 दिन हो गए खाना खाए हुए एंड अमिताभ बच्चन
नया एक्टर ले लेते. आशिमा, दिस इज सो बैड. This is so bad.
I will. Okay. Let's. Okay.
This is so mean of you. Like the audience will agree with me. This is so mean. Amitabh Bachchan.
No. There are few of the audience the people there because they like Amitabh Bachchan. Okay, it's my fault. Let me ask
you.
Who is your favorite? Who is your favorite?
Favorite तो कोई नहीं है, but हाँ at least कोई तो नया ले लो.
चलो बताओ किसको लो.
अभी कौन है? इधर आयुष्मान खुराना. I like his poetry.
ओके चलिए ठीक है जी. तो रिद्धि के लिए 3 दिन की रिद्धि ने कुछ नहीं खाया है. 3 दिन के बाद रिद्धि के पास आयुष्मान खुराना आते हैं और बहुत अच्छी सी अच्छे से प्रिपरेशन के साथ वो वही सूखे लाते वही चने हैं. ओके रिद्धि, now please you have to visualize this situation in your mind, only then you will be able to give me the right answer, right? Because अभी आयुष्मान खुराना पे ध्यान ज्यादा है. So you have to visualize कि 3 दिन की भूख है. अगर आयुष्मान खुराना आपके पास चने देने आता है, will you see chana more or the आयुष्मान खुराना more?
चना मोर
चना।
3 दिन से भूखे यार। I mean आयुष्मान खुराना हो या कोई भी हो, चना मोर।
तो इसका मतलब क्या है कि अब ये भी फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा कि मेरे पास चाहे चना, और मैं कहती हूँ चना छोड़िए, आयुष्मान खुराना, चलो तीसरे दिन उसने कर्टसी रखी कि दीदी को एटलीस्ट रोटी सब्जी दे आओ, ठीक है, नॉट दैट चना, बट इट्स बीन 3 days Vidhi, you are hungry. Ayushman Khurrana is
Correct.
getting a proper meal for you. Will you be only focusing on the meal, or you will be focusing on the Ayushman Khurrana, you know, you're running up your eyes and all, जैसे हम normally करते हैं, अरे मेरा तो खाने पे ध्यान ही नहीं गया because I could see Ayushman standing in front of me. What will happen Riddhi to you? Tell me.
No, the meal.
The meal. So before I tell you, can you conclude to it that what matters? क्योंकि फोकस नहीं गया अभी आयुष्मान के ऊपर, फोकस नहीं गया दिमाग में खाने किसी और चीज के ऊपर, पिज्जा हट के ऐड आ जाए, कुछ भी आ जाए, अभी क्या है, 3 दिन की भूख is more important in the mind. Are you getting?
Yeah, I am getting. So please conclude the how for us. Please conclude the how for
First
us.
you tell me that what did you find, that what is the how behind this?
How is like, I feel what you said is आपकी भूख to achieve
Yeah, I must say
to
that I am
achieve
an
your goal.
intelligent host for the day. Yeah.
Thank you.
So you're getting it
So the
right. You're getting it right,
yeah.
Riddhi. I'm liking it because everything you're getting on the points. One, I could take it as कि मैं अच्छे से समझा रही हूँ, but ठीक है, बहुत बार ऐसा होता है नहीं भी आता.
नहीं, I let me ask the audience. Let me ask the audience. Are you guys enjoying? Are you guys enjoying? देखो हम तो मस्ती मजाक करते रहते, but you should get a point and you should be enjoying. That's our only aim. So
this are you getting some comments, Riddhi? Can you see because I'm on the WhatsApp?
let me check on my यहाँ तो मुझे दिखाने
Okay.
नहीं दे। Let me
So
check.
the
एक second.
second very important thing, Riddhi, which we came out with is that is called desire. I say that I am an intelligent host for the. Could you slow down the volume?
Yeah.
Okay.
I can see some participants.
Okay.
I can see some participants out there. So yeah.
Okay,
And
Riddhi, so we will only
yeah.
be taking up the questions. Let's proceed with because time is also running.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
the second important point is that the desire should be there, right? So
The desire should be there.
the first point we discussed was the bigger picture in your mind, right? What you can see, and second is the desire. जो भूख और वो hunger हुई, वो बहुत ज़रूरी है, right? Is, you know, and another thing in how I would like to tell you, one is that desire, and second is you have to answer yourself these 4 W's, right? What did I say? 4 W's, right?
4 W's. Okay.
Yeah. So if I start with 4, this is like one is why should I follow this? Okay, whatever is your goal or something. See, goal can be any. It could be like, you know, losing your weight, or any of your studies, or you know, start anything, any goal, right? It could be anything. So you have to write first of all that why should I follow this, right? And second is what is the benefit of this? You know, if I am going to do this, what and how it is going to benefit me. That's very important. You have to tell yourself those benefits, right? The second thing. And third is when am I going to achieve it? You have to set a target in your mind, right? If you are taking any goal, one, you are writing it that why should I follow this, and second is what is the benefit, and third is when am I going to achieve it, right? And where it's applicable in my life. ये मेरी लाइफ में applicable कहाँ होने वाला है, right? And then important thing is how I am going to do this. Right? How I am going to do this? कब मैंने इसको अचीव करना है, कैसे करना है, ये कहाँ लाइफ में एप्लीकेबल होगा, मुझे बेनिफिट्स क्या है इसके, और मुझे करना क्यों है ये। आर यू गेटिंग माई पॉइंट?
करेक्ट
ठीक
करेक्ट
है, अब
करेक्ट।
भूख है, आपको लग रहा है करना, बट ये 3-4 काम, चीजों के जवाब आपको अपने आप को देने बहुत जरूरी है।
So I guess these after our how, these are the 4 strategies to
Right.
kind of achieve our goals. First was why, then was how, and now the third thing is the strategies. So can you again?
Strategies, no, this I am covering the strategies. We will take it further, going proceeding with the session.
Okay,
But right now,
okay,
it's very important that how to focus. If you are talking on how to focus, one is you should have the desire, and second is give
correct.
answers to these 4 W's to yourself. कि मैंने ये क्यों करना है, कब अचीव करना है, कैसे करना है, मुझे फायदे क्या होंगे, और मैं किस तरीके से इन्हें अचीव करने वाला हूँ, ये सब चीज़ों के जवाब भी आपने अपने आप को देने, राइट?
Correct.
Okay. So I hope I am able to answer your this question of how, and then we can move
Yeah,
forward towards your
yeah,
promotion, right?
yeah. Let me ask the people. Do you have any questions? Please, please write in the chat box if you have any questions before we move forward to our next question.
Okay, Vidhi, we may take the questions at the end also, right? And
यार आशिमा इतने अच्छे एग्जांपल्स दे रही है, थोड़ी बहुत तो कमेंट्स बनते हैं. सॉरी, दिस ब्रेकिंग.
okay, Vidhi, shall we start with the next question?
Yeah. Next question is, so after our why and how, the next question which I was asking earlier only, then ठीक है, हमने अपना गोल भी डिसाइड कर लिया, हमारे अंदर काफी we have that hook also, and we have that quest to achieve a goal. So then the next question, obvious question comes is that what are the strategies we can do without, we can use or we can adopt, without getting distracted to achieve our goals. So this is my next question.
Okay. So strategies, yeah. Next question.
Yeah, correct.
Okay, right. Okay, am I clearly visible, Vidhi?
Yeah, you are.
Okay. So starting with the strategies, first of all, I would suggest that make small targets. That's very important, because sometimes we get disheartened because we make so big targets in our mind, or we start like we are planning, and we make big plans for the day to achieve. And in this way, if we are not able to achieve that, somewhere we get demotivated or disheartened. And so that's important. First of all, start with, what did I say, Riddhi?
Start with small targets.
Yes. So first of all, let's start with small targets, right? Okay.
Correct.
कि छोटा 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 छोटा, कि थोड़ा दिन, एक दिन ये कंप्लीट करेंगे, एक दिन वो कंप्लीट करेंगे, एंड मेक अ चार्ट ऑफ दैट कि आप एक दिन में कितना कंप्लीट करने वाले हैं, राइट? एंड in between, like suppose, let's suppose you have made your chart for around a week, but after 4 days, give yourself a break. There should be a one day, and where you decided that this is a break day. But break day does not mean that you're not going to do anything in regard to your goal. It means, let's suppose for the 4 days you have, you set some target in your mind, but you were not
Correct.
able to achieve those targets. So this fourth day, you can use it for you. Either you can complete, जो आपका backlog है, आप उसको उस दिन पे complete कर सकते हो. This is up to you, right? So अब
Correct.
या तो अगर आपका, if your target is you are achieving your target for last 4 days, you can use your this 5th day for your enjoyment. It could be
Rewarding yourself.
Yeah, partying, going somewhere. You can do that, but if there is some log is there, lagging, things are lagging, and you can do that on your this break day, right?
Correct.
And with that, start rewarding yourself. Give points. And make this strategy in your mind, like plan in your mind. if I will be able to achieve this is 10 points, if I will do 20 points, or a break day mein aapne kar diya, now it will give a credit of 20 points to you. So this is like you don't need anybody else because solution is within inside you. But will we always try that koi bahar se aayega and we will do some wonders or kuch magic hoga and suddenly things will get better in my life. So
Correct.
every solution is in you only, within you only. It's just you have to give a start.
Correct.
That's very important. So small targets, keep a break day and reward yourself. That's very important if you need to strategize in this.
Correct. Correct. So we have the why, we have the how, we have the strategies, and after strategies, I guess one major question or one big question which came to my mind also, and which many people also asked me, like it was a repetitive question from many people, is the social media exposure. It's like and I can't say social media exposure, it's more of social media comparisons. Despite the fact, like there's a line जो मैंने अपने writing में भी use करी है, and I mean I've heard it many times, which says कि this is a sad generation with the happy Instagram and Facebook pictures.
Very true,
So
very true.
yeah, so that is that comparison, and I include myself also. ऐसा नहीं है कि मैंने कभी compare ही नहीं किया कि okay यार ये बंदा या ये बंदी, she was with me or she was in my class or she was my colleague, and now look at her or look at him, whatever.
Okay,
And
okay, okay.
or so this is some way affecting the emotional well-being of people as well, of youth majorly. So what do you have anything to say in this regard?
Okay, so you mean that we fall into this thing that we start comparing, or we feel like
Yeah.
it's like rat race is going on, we can say लोगों को लगता है
Correct.
कि वो
The
मेरे
rat
से
race
आगे
is
निकल
going
गया
on. Yeah.
और मैं पीछे रह गई और like if we put pictures of अभी तो कोरोना में ये चीजें नहीं हो रही है, otherwise in the month of June we can only see people are going to foreign countries.
कोरोना में आप जून के आगे क्या बोला आपने?
We see on the social media that people are
Yeah.
going for travel or every day
Yeah.
because, and in these days we used to see such kind of funny messages also on WhatsApp. Please, if you're going for travel somewhere,
Yes.
don't put it on social media क्योंकि
So,
हमें
yeah.
उससे फर्क पड़ता है. We get distracted, हमें and we feel like वो चले गए हम रह गए. People are doing this and that in their life. Of course, this
Correct.
is again distraction. And see, what I would say here is that these all things are giving you negative emotions, right? So how you can balance it? What you have to do and what you should do is that balance it with this all with the positive emotions, right? क्योंकि ये चीजें तो हो रही हैं होंगी because people have their own life, they will keep on doing such things, right? But what is important for us to give ourselves the right track and the right thought process. So if these things are giving you negative emotions like comparison, like anxiety, like somewhere you are going down, low, demotivated, negative emotions, am I right, Priti? These are the negative emotions,
Correct.
right?
Yeah.
So I need to give myself
And
positive emotions, right?
correct.
So how will I get these positive emotions? One, I would say, if I'm talking, I don't know the people, they're mixed kind of audience we have, but if I talk to
Yeah.
youth, if I say a word meditation, they take it as कि शायद कोई पूजा पाठ भक्ति भाव वाली चीज है.
या
Even
कोई बूढ़ा आदमी करेगा,
हाँ बूढ़ा आदमी करेगा.
बूढ़ा आदमी करेगा, हमारे लिए नहीं है ये.
और you're not wrong, even we used to think the same way. और अगर आज मुझे भी ये करना पड़े तो I can assume myself to be young. हाँ मैं भी यही सोचती हूँ.
Correct.
Okay.
No, even मैं भी यही सोचती हूँ. I mean, हम कोई अलग मार्ग से नहीं आए. It's like we are the same people. Yeah.
Right. So the point is that because we have been told like this only, and we have seen people around कि meditation तो वही लोग करते हैं, right? So if I am talking about meditation, it's just I'm asking you to concentrate and sit with yourself and talking to yourself, right? And visualize that picture in your mind. Let's suppose your goal is to achieve that you want to reduce your weight by 10 kgs or 15 kgs, right? So you can just sit for the 10
Correct.
minutes every day. You can visualize yourself that how will you look, or you can assume your picture in your mind wearing that particular dress, right? When you will be 15 kgs down. So every day you can sit, or okay, let's suppose you want to become some professional, a doctor or chartered accountant or a IAS officer. Just sit every day and visualize this thing in your mind. But let me tell you one thing, that don't only get into this thinking about your future. Action is also important. कि हमें लगे कि every day we have to just sit.
विजुअलाइज कर
Yeah,
करके एक्शन नहीं ले हम.
action nahi le. So action is very important. But what we are doing here, Riddhi, is like we are sitting every day and visualizing. We are, because that's very important for the whole day. That picture is going to stay in our mind. It's stick in our mind, right? So this
Correct,
will
correct,
help
correct.
us. Distractions hoga. We will see people around doing so many things. But every day, this visualization is going to help you, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Can you hear
So
me?
yeah.
My net went for yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay,
Continue.
and second thing, what you can do is, let's suppose you're planning to start a startup, right? A new business, or you want to have a very luxury house one day in your life,
I do,
or
I do.
yeah,
चाहिए मुझे.
and
एक कार भी.
and you want to get that maybe a BMW car in your life. You have so many dreams, right? The goals are there, but
Correct,
problem क्या हम distract हो जाते हैं, right? So another
correct.
thing which I told you कि सिर्फ सोचना नहीं है, you can only take a few actions. अभी क्या है actions, आप क्या ले सकते हैं? Is like you can go to the showroom of BMW and take a test drive,
Yeah.
yeah, or
And imagine yourself having it actually.
yes. Then because what will happen, every day you will visualize that picture in your mind. वो feeling अब आपके अंदर है, because that very important है. वो desire और hunger जो है, वो धीरे धीरे
Yeah,
डाउन होती जाती है. तो हमें अपने एक्शन में ये चीज लेके आनी है. ओके, सेकंड व्हाट
correct.
यू कैन डू, start searching for the properties on the property websites, so that
Yeah,
every day you give yourself that practice, right? That picture, that environment in front of you, right?
correct.
And it's very important कि आप किन लोगों के बीच में हैं. If you want to be a successful person, an entrepreneur, start reading their autobiographies, start reading good books, because this is giving you divert a kind of a different and new direction to your mind. So one is sit with yourself, visualize in your mind. Second, go into that environment, create that environment around you, talking to those people, listening to their stories, success stories. Go and get a test drive of a car. Start looking for the properties, ताकि वो जो hunger है, वो जो आग है, वो जलती रहे. If you will be looking around more on social media and comparison, these are only giving you negative emotions. But what is your effort, what you can do? I am again repeating that you are the one who is going to give yourself the solution, right?
Correct.
Yeah. So the second solution, which is within you only, that please give a divert, redirection to your emotions, to your feelings, and give yourself the right habits and environment. एक चीज आप और कर सकते हैं. If you find few distractions with you, just write down these distractions on your take a paper and pen. Every day write these all distractions on a page, and उसको पेज को अच्छे से गुचर मुचर करके, right, and throw that paper in the dustbin, right?
जब भी मेड स्टाइल करना है.
Yeah, and every day, second
Yeah,
day also, start doing that thing again. Now you will see that your distractions are getting down day by day. Let's suppose one day you got this thing is distracting me, this thing is distracting me. Write it down on a paper and throw it in the dustbin. Second day, gradually you will find that it is, going down. अब हमने जो आज बात करी बहुत सारी, एक हमने बात करी कि हम ये एक्सरसाइज कर सकते हैं, हम ये स्ट्रैटेजीज अपना सकते हैं. One thing is like a desire is very important and you have to see the bigger picture in
Correct.
your mind, because distraction आती क्यों है कि एक तो गोल सेट नहीं है हमारे दिमाग में, एक बड़ी पिक्चर नहीं है. And the second thing which happens is like वो भूख ही नहीं है. We have so much of comfort level because we see कि सब मिल तो रहा है लाइफ में. Nowadays you can see parents are earning, they are giving everything to the kids, like why they should study, why they should strive for like earning in their life, because they are already living a luxury.
Yeah.
True. So you have to give yourself that hunger, and if you are not able to give that hunger to yourself, be in that environment, look for those people, check out what kind of people you are around with. आपके social media पे, आपके Facebook पे, Insta पे आपका friend circle कैसा है. So be more with the people who inspire you. Don't get into comparison. Every person has their own story. That's very important. We need to accept this. Right? We
Correct.
cannot start with comparison will again take you to another phase. फिर आप stress में चले जाएंगे. So distraction is something else and stress is something else. It's very important. Don't mix these all things. Anxiety, stress, depression. ये अलग चीजें हैं, distraction अलग चीज है. Distraction is like आप fit and fine है mind से, लेकिन फिर भी छोटी छोटी चीजें आपको अपना टारगेट अचीव नहीं करने दे रही हैं, आपको अपना गोल अचीव नहीं करने दे रही. राइट विधि? आई होप आई एम मेकिंग सेंस.
Very, very.
Okay.
I mean, काफी अच्छे से.
Okay. So I think I am able to take up the motive, deliver the motive of the
Why
session.
do we get distracted?
Right.
Yeah.
कि why do we get distracted, और उसके लिए आप क्या करिए, and on the same time, if you are having negative emotions, what you
Ashima,
can do.
आवाज.
Hello.
Yeah. Hello. Yeah.
Okay, Riddhi. Any other question, Riddhi, you would like to ask?
I guess we have given sufficient dose for today. We have answered why, we have answered how, we have answered the strategies.
Am I able to answer your queries, the things you had in your mind?
You have given more, I mean, more than required you have given. And then we spoke a bit about emotional health also, like the social media comparisons which we fall in.
And if you are talking about social media, you can also go for emotional detoxification. I do that thing also, a kind of counseling session where I can guide you on that how to go do your emotional detoxification, right? We will take it later on in the another sessions, right? So, any other question?
I guess I have done with my questions. If the audience has any question or any topic which you want us to take further in our series of Conversing Minds, please go ahead. Please go ahead.
Yes, you all may write your queries, the questions you would like me to take up in coming sessions, and I hope I am able to answer and fulfill the purpose of today's session, that why do you get distracted and how to keep yourself focused, because I covered these two things together. Okay, so shall we say bye-bye for the day?
Yeah, and it was very nice looking at you, speaking to you after so long. Nice change and a very nice.
Same here, Riddhi, same here. I hope I am able, because this was the query coming up to me from so many people, that's why I started with this, because nowadays it's a very, we are going through the time, pandemic is there, corona, उसमें तो और ज़्यादा fear की वजह से भी we are getting distracted. So I thought of to take, taking this topic at first. So all the best everyone, stay positive, stay safe. और मैं तो हूँ ही, कभी भी आपको किसी भी तरीके की कोई परेशानी, कोई भी क्वेरी, आई कीप ऑन गेटिंग सो मेनी व्हाट्सएप मैसेजेस ऑल्सो कि मैडम ये प्रॉब्लम है. एंड माई request to all of you, and especially to the youth, depression is a word which is very easy to say, and I, like, it shakes me when I get a query from a person who is of around 23, 24 years, 25 years of age, and using the term I am depressed. प्लीज आप डिप्रेस्ड नहीं हैं, और अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है, so I am there. You can anytime call me, you can write to me, and please do write what other topics you would like to me to take up these sessions. And very important thing I would like to tell you all, that like Riddhi joined us today in this session on this particular topic. So it is not like every time Riddhi is going to be with me. So
Correct.
the another conversing mind with me can be you also. Are you hearing me right? So another, next time, the person asking me question can be you also. So you can ask your questions, and we can decide with the topic, and next time I can take up your queries live, so that सिर्फ आपके फायदे और भले के साथ साथ बाकी लोगों का भी भला हो जाएगा, वो भी बहती गंगा में हाथ धो लेंगे. ठीक है? So you can write to me if you are interested to come with me on this interactive sessions, and love you all. Thank you so much. Stay positive and stay happy. That's very, very, very important. Okay,
Yeah.
Riddhi, thank you so much for joining me.
Thank you.
Love you.
Love you too. Take care. Stay safe.
Yeah. Thank you so much, everyone. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you.